Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to present food on a table. First, consider the color and texture of your ingredients. Aim for contrast and variety. Think about the plate as your canvas, using negative space to highlight your main dish. A good presentation can make even simple meals feel special and inviting. We'll cover practical tips to elevate your dining experience. When plating, position your main protein, like a perfectly cooked steak or a vibrant salmon fillet, as the star. Then, artfully arrange your side dishes, such as roasted asparagus or a fluffy mound of rice, around it. Remember the rule of odds. 3 or 5 items often look more balanced than an even number. A drizzle of sauce or a sprinkle of fresh herbs can truly complete the picture. Beyond the plate, your table setting plays a huge role. Select dinnerware that complements your food, perhaps a crisp white plate to make colors pop. Fresh garnishes like a sprig of rosemary or a few edible flower petals add a professional touch. Don't forget the lighting. Soft, warm light enhances the ambience. A well-arranged table invites guests to enjoy the meal even before the first bite. For the grand finale, double-check that all serving utensils are sparkling clean and within easy reach for your guests. A small, thoughtful decorative element, like a simple candle or a tiny vase with a single bloom, can elevate the entire presentation. Remember, the goal is to create an enjoyable and memorable experience. Check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.